Hello and welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Nicole Ramos and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy ranch dressing. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so we're using half a cup of mayo. We're using 1 teaspoon of chives, 1/4 teaspoon of parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of dill, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt rather. We're also going to be using some soy milk, and I've got 2 tablespoons here, although you may only need to be using 1. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so for this recipe, we're going to be needing a bowl and a whisk or a spoon. And we're just going to get our mayo in there, in that bowl. Let me move this so you can see. Okay, and we can add that 1 tablespoon. And the chives. We're just going to be adding everything in. Ranch dressings are just so versatile in terms of uses. You can use them in salads, you can use them as dips, which is why the consistency can vary. There we go. And you're just going to whisk that in. And there you have your very own ranch dressing, and it's just so tasty. The nutritional yeast gives it a cheesy, if not nutty flavor, but not too much because it is ranch dressing. It's not in a Caesar dressing or anything like that. And if you wanted it to be a bit runnier for a salad, you can add a bit more milk, and I'm going to do that because we are going to dress our lovely salad here with this dressing. And I'm just going to show you how wonderful that goes on a salad. And there you have it, your very own ranch dressing.